Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joshua Torsendi, study at PMI Colleges Bohol, Be Smart Student G2MI. I'm here in front of you to present or to perform my speech with entitled Education is the Key to Success. But before I start my speech, let me ask you first. Did you believe that education is the key to success? For me, definitely yes. I firmly believe that education is the key to success because it is the most powerful tool nowadays and it means a lot to us. It helps us to be more productive, confident, and being a knowledgeable person. Also because education is an open doors to success by preparing ourselves for the opportunities and the challenges of our life. Also, I believe that education is really the most important tool that we can receive that can bring us to the most success in society today. Education listen the challenges that we will face in our life because the more knowledge we'll gain, the more opportunity we will open up to allow us to achieve the possibilities in careers and personal growth. And education has played a crucial role in shaping careers in this modern society or in this modern world. A person with higher education is will be easily qualified, right? Because education help us to learn, to gain knowledge, and to become an intelligent person. Moreover, it grant us the ability to have a high salary and enjoyable career. While learning, we need to improve and acquire these five main things that helps to achieve our goals and our profession of our life. Education builds confidence, get bringing one step closer to turning dreams into reality. It also enhances our competence and sharpens our skills, making individuals more competitive in every field. And and I think in this generation, without education, individuals will lose the chance to achieve their goals and professions in their lives. And also I believe that education is a gift that no one can replace. And I want this to tell you this guys that life is like riding a bike. To keep your balance, you must keep moving forward. So we must keep going and stay strong because we have a dream to chase that we want to success in our lives. And I hope that we will never getting tired for showing our goals until we become a success. Also, I hope that you learn some important lesson in my speech. And that's all. And that's all. Goodbye and thank you for listening.